Are you looking for long-term, durable flooring for your home or business? What if you could get the right flooring to suit your needs as well as expert installation? Introducing 180-degree Floors, where we transform your flooring into a work of art. We are a small, family-owned flooring company dedicated to providing quality service, affordable flooring, and professional installation packages. We are licensed, insured, and bonded with friendly and knowledgeable staff. Servicing Middle Tennessee for both commercial and residential properties, located at 458 Bell Road, Nashville, Tennessee. Stop by our showroom or schedule your free in-home estimate, and we will bring our showroom to you. So if you're looking for new flooring and would like to work with our professional staff, we are just a call or click away. Give us a call now at 615-426-7729 or visit www.180degreefloors.com for more details. With 180 Degree Floors, your satisfaction is guaranteed.